YouTube. We're back again. What's going on, everyone? Y'all, just wanted to catch y'all up. We're over here at Import Expo at City Field. I got Roscoe behind the camera like last time, but I just wanted to show y'all guys that, you know, I got some new wheels in the car. If you remember, I did the ADAPTIV Wheels. I partnered up with Rondi, and we have ADAPTIV Wheels, our wheel brand right here. So we was able to finally showcase it at City Field. I got some of the display wheels here. Unfortunately, we shot where it's kind of dark now because the music was crazy and you guys would have never heard me. But now I got a little bit of time to show y'all a little bit of something. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we got one of our custom wheels right here on the GT3RS. If anybody at home is looking to get a new set of wheels, please hit me up, please. I would love to see some of you guys' cars on these wheels, man. Adaptive-designs.com, and you can see whatever, or you can hit me on the Instagram. You guys know me on Joe_AIM. Send me a message and we can work something out, build something for your cars. And I would love to see some more cars on here, on these wheels, man. But I think they came out sick. You guys comment below, tell me how the RS looks with the new wheels. And as you can see, there's some display wheels back there. We might be able to get a few shots of it, even though it's kind of dark. But just wanted y'all guys to see it, man. You know, that's it. Other than that, Import Expo was pretty sick. The show was awesome. Brett always throws awesome shows. This is, you know, we got another one down for the books, man. And this was the first time I did the booth, like I mentioned. And the amount of feedback I got from you guys, people came up to me. They love the car, they love the wheels, they love the booth. And a lot of the viewers that watched me came up, which was awesome, man. And it really makes me feel appreciative. Like I appreciate you guys watching the content, man. And it's what pushes me to keep doing this, even though I don't have time. But I really appreciate you guys at home. So once again, hit us up, hit me up, get some wheels. Let's go. Come on, support me on these wheels. That's all I ask y'all. That's it. Roscoe laughing on camera. But yo, thank you guys. Take y'all later. Peace.
I got the riches to fulfill my needs. Got land in the sand of the Western.